Hey, it's Patrick from the GarageBand Guide, and these are the nominees for Plugin of the Year 2020. Calum Audio wrote the book on tape saturation, last year's tape cassette and this year's tape cassette 2, packing in some fantastic sounds and features, considering the fact that they were both free. With Tape Pro, Calum Audio have taken everything that made tape cassette and tape cassette 2 such essential downloads and added a huge amount of depth, options and value. Once you get your hands on Tape Pro, you'll never need or want another tape saturation effect again. Ting, a unique percussive instrument from the audio wizards at Clevgrin, landed this year, providing users with sounds originating from everyday things laying around at home, such as silverware, sofas, toy drums, or a pair of car keys. Also available on iOS, the desktop version of Ting has one big advantage over its portable counterpart. In GarageBand on Mac, you can replace a drummer track's drum kit with the sounds that come with Ting. This opens up a world of rhythmic possibilities, with Ting's incredibly high-quality percussion samples really shining when coupled with GarageBand's drummer track patterns. Simply put, ValhallaSupermassive is incredible. A unique and free delay/reverb plugin, Valhalla have managed to nail the balance between ease of use and depth here, with Supermassive sporting a great looking minimal UI. You have a whole host of controls that will be familiar to anyone who's worked with delay type plugins and effects before. ValhallaSupermassive comes packed with dozens of echo, modulation, reverb and SFX presets categorized into different submenus depending on their properties and intended uses. In practice, this means with a couple of clicks, you can completely change the characteristics of the sound you're working with. Still being updated to this day, ValhallaSupermassive puts many premium plugins to shame. Fantastic stuff. The second free nominee on this list, it's crazy just how good free plugins are nowadays, comes from Guitar Sim Master's Nembrini Audio. Crunk V2 is a one-channel guitar amp sim that gives you a large number of gnarly tones to play with. Heavy, driven tones are the name of the game here, with Nembrini Audio packing this lightweight freebie with enough controls to provide users with multiple options when it comes to dialing in tones. Crunk V2 comes with some presets to get you started and allows you to choose whether to colour your outgoing signal with a great sounding emulation of a 4x12 vintage 30 cabinet, or to bypass it completely. A must-have for any GarageBand guitarist looking for a great quality, dirty, hard rock tone. Finally, Baby Audio have released some amazing plugins in 2020. After last year's brilliant I Heart New York blew the audio production world away and became my favourite plugin of 2019, by the way, they followed up with Comeback Kid, a delay plugin with a difference. Baby Audio's attention to detail when it comes to the design of their plugins is second to none, and everything here, from the skeuomorphic design of the knobs and buttons to the overall layout of the controls, is absolutely spot on. You can fine-tune every aspect of Comeback Kid with its intuitive suite of controls, and the unique cheap, swirl and sauce dials take everything to a whole new level. Not only does Comeback Kid wow with its distinctive and quirky controls, it also does the basics really, really well too, making it an ideal jack-of-all-trades plugin that anyone will find useful. Right then, those are the nominees for the GarageBand Guide Plugin of the Year 2020. What plugins did you fall head over heels for in 2020? Leave a comment and let me know. If you want to find out more about this year's nominees, check out this playlist where I take a closer look at every single one. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.